I work at Ulta Beauty. My day-to-day at Ulta Beauty is leveraging a bunch of technology, making sure that our system is running 24/7. Security is so important to us. When you have a platform with millions of users like Ulta Beauty, you definitely should expect intrusion of others to your customer systems. And with Sumo, we can monitor that real time to see who is trying to access our customer data. And with those alerts, we can react quickly and then stop it from happening. The future for us at Ulta is actually rebuilding our e-commerce platform. We're moving from a legacy system to a cloud-based system. So Sumo is very important to our future technology stack and helping us continue to grow in our future and providing value to Ulta Beauty.